Global threats to critical infrastructure are on the rise. Traditional protection for industrial, civilian, and strategic sites is losing its edge against these new challenges. Today, physical security isn't just a formal requirement, it's a fundamental necessity for business continuity and asset protection. Unmanned aerial vehicles have become a key global threat, capable of bypassing standard security systems. Our center serves as a systems integrator in the field of security for critical infrastructure facilities. We don't just provide solutions, we develop a comprehensive protection strategy. Our approach is built on three core principles. Innovation monitoring, we track all technological trends in the field of strategic security. Deep analytics, we conduct independent assessments of the quality and effectiveness of protective measures. Real-world testing, we verify solutions in conditions that simulate the most severe attack scenarios. In this video, our technical center demonstrates testing of the protective netting under extreme conditions. The system is a unique patented engineering solution designed specifically to counter unmanned aerial vehicles. The system is a temporary, rapidly deployable, modular shelter consisting of metal masts assembled from standard segments that can reach heights of 80 meters. The masts are positioned on non-permanent concrete foundation pads. All the masts are tensioned together using high-strength steel cables. These tension cables form the primary protective net. A fine mesh net is stretched over the primary layer for added protection. All structural elements are galvanized or coated with anti-corrosion paint, are UV resistant, and are completely fireproof. Installation is carried out without the need for any welding. Security isn't just our job, it's the very foundation of our mission. We provide dependable and reliable test-proven protection to ensure your business remains stable in the face of today's modern threats.